All right, everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics. We're now going to go for our 1963 Chevy Corvette. Best part about this car is it is a convertible. Besides its original features with the hideaway headlights and its original gauges, as you can see, our tach, our speedometer is working. And even a special part about this car is that the clock, which you don't see in a lot of Corvettes, actually work. In fact, I actually think it's telling the right time. That's actually surprising. It's still got its AC Delco radio. And a really rare feature I found out about this car is it is an automatic. A lot of times when you're driving these cars, there are either 4 speeds, 5 speeds, whatever you want to change them into, but finding an automatic in a Corvette Stingray is very rare. And with this car, it does have a white convertible top with the painted blue, as same as the rest of the car. It's blue hardtop, which fits perfectly fine. Now, speaking about how nice it is, let's show you how the brakes work. Stops right on the dot. You can see that the steering has no issue. It's really right on the dot there. Yeah, definitely a really nice Corvette for all you Corvette lovers out there. But anyway, we're gonna stop bragging about the car. We're gonna get her turned around, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. Hope to see you there.